What's up guys, this is your boy Rambax, 7 years old. Welcome to this game in PLPNT. This is the PLPNT guys. So, inulit ako po si Rambax 17. Ito ang PLPNT. Bibigyan natin natin ng video. So, nakikita niyo po. Ito po ang classroom lecture room. Oo, lecture classroom. Dito naman po ang parade deck and SKS pad. The SKS pad. This is the statue. Okay. So, inuulit ko po. Hindi po to copyright. This map is not copyright. This is the helicopter pad here. Hello, what's up, Inspector General? So, dito magiging personnel pag after ng first training. We have 2 trainings in the PLPNP, like in other community on PNP, on Roblox. Usually, naulit ko po, we have 2 trainings. At yun po ang government headquarters. Guys, nakikita niyo po naman. Ayan po yung government headquarters. And also NHQ. Itong map na po, itong map po na to hindi copyright. Also, ito po ang helicopter. Invisible Invisible na helicopter. At ito naman po yung PSG HQ. This is the PSG headquarters. Presidential security. So, let's enjoy the tour guys. So for today's video, nagtutour po tayo ngayon. Ito po ang NHQ. And ayun po yung PSG building there. Kanina po, pinakita ko po. At dun din po yung special force. So, guys, subscribe and like. Thank you. So, that's all for today, guys. Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe.